Do you need the replacement UV lamp and filters for your Minirack UV system? Not sure where to find them? Not sure exactly what you need? Looking for some advice from the pros? Relax, this buyer's guide is for you. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. Today, Anna's here from our customer service team, and she's going to help me share with you what to look for when investing in replacement UV lamp and filters for your Minirack UV. By the end of this video, you'll learn what to look for, what type you'll need, and where to find them. And this includes the most popular Minirack UV, our Hume Safe Water 10. So instead of buying the filters separately and the UV lamps separately, you can buy them as a bundle and save a bundle. So I'm here with Anna today. Welcome, Anna.
Thank you.
And Anna's with our customer service department, and she helps a lot of you folks that email in with your specific questions about what do I need to fix my water. So I thought she's the perfect person to be involved today with this buyer's guide, and she's going to share with you her wisdom on some of the things to look for when you're shopping for water filtration for your family.
We have created bundles for most of the UV systems that we sell, just to make it easier and offer them at a reduced cost for our customers.
So before we created these bundles, if you had a rack system, what did you have to do?
You had to buy the filters individually and buy the lamp.
And figure out what you needed?
Yes, figure out which sediment filter you needed, which carbon filter you needed, what size, what micron, figure out what UV lamp you needed, what sleeve goes with it, and all that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So now we offer a range of bundles for many different types of UV systems where you can get the filters and the lamp. We also offer the same bundle where you can get the filters, the lamp, and the sleeve. So you don't always have to buy the sleeve, but we do also offer that option.
And what's in it for these folks buying the bundles?
So they're always at a reduced cost because we're bundling it, so we cut the price, so it's way cheaper than purchasing each item individually.
And one of the reasons we can do that is because we offer free shipping. So the idea is if we put it all together in a bundle and ship it all to you at once, it's cheaper than us shipping 3 different things to you.
That's right.
Right? And of course, it's a Viqua system like this IHS 12D4 behind us here. It's the actual OEM filters, the actual OEM lamp.
Yes.
It's so you know it's the right stuff. It's not some Chinese knockoff or something like that may be compromised in quality. It's the actual stuff. And it's the same with the Hume Safe Water 10, right? What about subscriptions? Yeah,
so if you want to make it easier so that you don't always have to remember to order the filters and the UV lamp, you know, that time of year when it's due, you can actually set yourself up for a subscription through our website, and you'll automatically get sent that same bundle every year. Or just the UV lamp, or just the filters, whatever you prefer.
So when it comes to the filter change bundles, there's different types, right? What are some of the brands that we have available?
So for the filters and UV lights, we have Viqua, we have the Hume line, UV Dynamics, we have Pura, and we have more coming.
Yeah, and we also have just the combo packs too, right? With just the filters.
With just the filters. So we have combo packs with just filters, we have combo packs with filters, lamp, and we have combo packs with filter, lamp, and sleeve.
Right. So what are some of the questions people ask us about these things?
Is this the right set of bundles for me?
That's
so
right.
if you don't have a system that you purchased from us, you can email us, include a photo of your system and like the model number, the brand, any information you have on it, and we will figure it out. We will find out what filters, what lamp you need.
And if there's a bundle available for you?
If there's a bundle available, then great. If not, we'll at least let you know which parts you need.
And then the videos help folks to do it themselves, right?
That's right.
Here's an example of one of the videos, for example, for this Viqua IHS 12D4, which is a very popular system, by the way. And again, there's a video there that shows you that whole process and makes it pretty painless. When it comes to those kinds of bundles and those kinds of things, what should people be looking for?
So you should make sure that you are getting the right brand for your system. So if you have a UV Dynamics system, you want to make sure that the lamp that you're getting is genuine UV Dynamics. Viqua, you want to make sure, and Viqua is the same as Trojan and Sterilite. They're all the same company. You want to make sure that you're getting a genuine Viqua lamp, because there are a lot of fakes out there.
Yeah, knockoffs.
And they're knockoffs that are offered at a lower price, and unfortunately what they do is they tend to fry the system.
Yeah,
and then
unfortunately.
and then you have to, in many cases, purchase a new controller, which is extremely expensive, or in worst cases, purchase a whole new system. So definitely not worth saving a couple of dollars on a knockoff lamp. Always make sure they're genuine, same brand lamps.
And tech support is always a good thing too, right?
Yes.
And so we offer a level of tech support here. Obviously, you know, Anna's doing that on a daily basis. I help out, so do the other folks that are here too. But the manufacturers have tech support.
Yeah.
And the problem is if you purchase one of those, let's say UV system from Amazon, and it's one of the Chinese brands, good luck trying to get tech support for that.
Yeah.
You know, you're going to be struggling.
Even myself, quite often I have to rely on the tech support that the company offers.
Absolutely.
So sometimes a customer will call or email us and they have a system that I'm not familiar with, but I know that it's a UV Dynamics brand. I'll contact them, or it's an issue that I'm not familiar with, I'll contact them, and it's important for us too to have that support if we need it as well,
absolutely.
right? So
Absolutely.
Viqua and UV Dynamics are great for that.
And ownership tips when it comes to filter change bundles and things like that.
Replacing the filters and lamp in a timely manner. You want to make sure that if you can't get your sleeve clean, if it doesn't come perfectly clean where it's clear so that the light from the lamp can shine through it perfectly, if you can't get it clean, replace it. If you break it, replace it. Even if it's just a crack, replace it. Because if not, it's going to cause a leak, and again, it'll destroy the system. So you want to replace it if needed. And we also recommend, especially now more than ever, we recommend a surge suppressor, because we've been having so many more power outages. They're just more and more frequent, I think, everywhere. Storms are more frequent everywhere. So we definitely recommend those for not just your UV systems, but you know, these guys too.
Cheap insurance.
Yeah, definitely.
And we've got great YouTube videos that show you how to replace the filters and the UV lamp yourself, so you can save even more. And so we've got a little review here from Charlie H. I ordered the package as one complete set, and the filters and UV bulb came on time, and everything was nicely packaged. I installed everything with no problems. I would order this again when the time comes to replace the filters. Well, thank you for your business, Charlie. I appreciate that. Click here for your next video on UV lamps and filters, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.